Parallelogram. Now let's discuss about the properties of a parallelogram. Consider parallelogram TQRS. A. Opposite sides are of equal lengths. That is, TQ is equal to SR. TS is equal to QR. B. Opposite angles are of equal measures. That is, angle T is equal to angle R. Angle Q is equal to angle S. C. Opposite sides are parallel. That is, TQ is parallel to SR. TS is parallel to QR. Perimeter of parallelogram. First, let's draw a parallelogram to find its perimeter. Mark the side B. This side is A. The line is height of the parallelogram H. And the angle here is 90 degree. Let's consider the example. A is equal to 20 meter. B is equal to 70 meter. We have to find the perimeter of the parallelogram. Perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to 2 times of A plus B, which means 2 times of length of A plus 2 times of length of B, which is equal to 2 into 20 plus 70. So, perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to 180 meter. Area of parallelogram. Here, there are different types of parallelograms like this. We have to see base and height of the parallelogram. Then, area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. From where it came? We obtained a rectangle through this manner. Therefore, area of a parallelogram is equal to area of a rectangle. So, A is equal to base into height. Let's try another method to find the area of a parallelogram. Consider two triangles and join them together as shown. Now we obtained a parallelogram. Therefore, area of a parallelogram is equal to sum of area of two triangles. So, A is equal to base into height. Question number 1. Find the area of each of the following parallelograms. A. Here, parallelogram is given. Then, base of the parallelogram is 7 cm, height is 4 cm. Then we have to find out the area of the parallelogram. Given base of the parallelogram equal to 7 cm. Then height is equal to 4 cm. We have to find out the area. Area is equal to, put question mark. We know area of the parallelogram is base into height. Therefore, area is equal to base into height. b into x. Substitute the values. 7 into 4 is equal to 28 centimeter square. Consider question number 3. Find the missing value. A. Base is 20 centimeter, height is dash, and area of the parallelogram is 246 centimeter square. Here we have now height of the parallelogram. So consider height is equal to x. Then base of the parallelogram is given 20 centimeter, and also area of the parallelogram is given 246 centimeter square. We all know area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. So we have to write b into x is equal to 246. Then substitute the value of b. 20 into x is equal to 246. Therefore, x is equal to 246 divided by 20 is equal to 12.3. Therefore, height of the parallelogram is equal to is equal to 12.3 centimeter. Let's take question number 5. PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height from Q to SR and QN is the height from Q to PS. If SR is equal to 12 centimeter and QM is equal to 7.6 centimeter, find A. The area of the parallelogram PQRS. B. QN if PS is equal to 8 centimeter. Here we have to find out the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Given base of the parallelogram is SR, which is equal to 12 centimeter, and corresponding height is QM, which is equal to 7.6 centimeter. We have to find out the area. Area is equal to foot question mark. We know area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Is equal to base into height, which is equal to SR into height QM, which is equal to 12 into 7.6, which is equal to 91.2 centimeter square. Then we have to find out the length of QN. If PS is equal to 8 centimeter. Here, PS is the base of the parallelogram. So we have to write base, which is equal to PS, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Consider corresponding height QN. which is equal to h. We already obtained area of the parallelogram 91.2 centimeter square. We all know area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height, which is equal to 91.2. Then substitute the value of base be 8 centimeter. So 8 into h is equal to 91.2. So x is equal to 91.2 divided by 8, which is equal to 11.4. Therefore, the length of QN is equal to 11.4 centimeter. Thank you.